Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm having I call it a reminiscence of this video, you guys. Actually, I'm very grateful with this idea that came up to me before a long time ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. I don't really remember when I started it, and I didn't only help myself with earning money through this video. I also help others, and I think until now people are still, or those that I shared ideas with making this video. So, ano tayo guys, balik tayo. Hindi naman sa nagbabalik ako kasi nakita ko lang kasi I really need it na. I have to use it na. Um, ano ba siya? Para, is it in contrast with my belief now about spirituality? Like, there's nothing wrong because it's useful. You need it every day, okay? And I need it na. Tapos sabi ko, meron yata akong hindi na open na. Okay? So, I don't really remember guys kung anong lingerie yung binili ko. Pero parang ano to guys ha, hindi siya kasi ako before, 'di ba? Para akong weirdo na na nag-adventure ng mga lingerie na hindi ko naman talaga ginagamit. I don't really use all the lingeries that I purchased before. It's still there in my closet and there's no way I would wear it because I'm getting old. Okay, let's open this up. Let's unbox this and see what I purchased. Okay. Bakit black? Bakit black? Tapos wala pa sa pouch. That's weird. Tagal ko na rin binili to guys. Bakit all black? Look at that. This is what happens. You really check your orders and then after, I don't know, 1 year na yata to, eh? My God. It's all the same color, you guys. Oh my God. Let's just have fun. Okay, so parang parang grandma panty wala binili ko. Parang siyang girdle. Bakit parang girdle? I don't think this is the right lingerie I bought. Kasi yung ko, gusto ko yung just cotton na, kasi may binili akong white na, hindi naman ganito yung design, guys. This is weird. Tapos all black pa. All black? Eh, hindi naman ako maka-black sa cotton. This is really a wrong order. Like, I don't really remember this. Tapos all the same. Saan ko ba binili to? Tapos hindi pa di ba? Hindi pa sa, grabe naman. Saan ko ba binili to? Sa TikTok ko pala binili, guys. Kaya pala. Kala ko sa Shopee. Sa TikTok ko pala binili. Oh, it's all the same color, right? The same color, all black. This is like a girl panty, you guys. Parang weird, no? But anyway, I will wear it, no? Pero weird talaga, bakit black? Kasi pag cotton, guys, ang binibili ko talaga is I'm onto the white. Okay? Mas ako sa white. Bakit naging Tapos para pa siyang girl. That's it. This is my video for today. Unboxing of this. I guess this is a TikTok purchase that I've done. Akala ko Shopee. Anyway, so that's it. That's our video for today. I hope you enjoy this crazy stuff of unboxing of this lingerie that I did. Okay, anyway, hope you had fun with me, laughing at this video. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.